Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Noah from Langley Chrysler dealership, and let me show you this beautiful 2019 Longhorn with only 57,000 kilometers, diesel, 6.7. Nice truck. Look at those beautiful wheels and tires. I love that actually package. I think tires are brand new based on a tread, and I see some stickers, all that stuff. This is brand new tires installed by the dealership, but I can double check. So we got spray liner over here. You can see never been used for like a construction or anything like that. Super nice, clean truck. So it has also power board to see when you open the door, they come out. Beautiful. Longhorn will stand for that like brown interior. All that stuff is more like a King Ranch in a Ford edition. So I will show inside a little bit shortly. So what we got here, we have HID lights with the LED lights combination. We have a parking sensors all up front. We have a tow hooks also in the front. And you see it's like a xenons, almost like a blue lights coming out. So the tires slightly sticks out, but looks like a not big deal. Has a tow mirrors as well, which you can flip up like this for better visibility, right? And then flip it back. And I just noticed also has a blind spot monitor. There's a little triangle. When you turn the turn signal, if there's something close to you, will show you. So there's no dents you can see over here on the doors or any panels and bumpers. Everything is clean. You see this is all front. The hood has a bug deflector. Usually bug deflector will tell me if it's been for like a business purpose or for the personal use. Bug deflector, sometimes people also for personal use also put the wind visors on a windows. So yeah, nice truck. Has also proximity key. That's how you close it. To open it, as you just put the hand inside and the door unlocks automatically as long as the key about 1 meter away. So power boards on the passenger side, the same. LED lights in the back. Has also blind spot sensors for the trailer in the side of the truck for the back as well. So no dinks or dents in the back. Bumper super clean. Hitch you can see basically brand new, never been used. Used hitches, usually you will see the scratches. 4 and 7 pin wiring, ready to go. Backup camera, obviously 4x4, and that's the Longhorn badge. And let's take a look at the interior. By the way, this is cupless. You see that's for the diesel, that's for the DEF fluid. And then that's a crew cab with a full size. Look at this cool interior. That's a Napa leather as well. That's very thick leather. It doesn't stretch like, for example, if you go with like a Laramie edition or some sport, they not as thick, and then you start to see by the time, because this perforation seat for the ventilation, they start to stretch a little bit, right? But this is solid. This is the same Napa leather as Ferrari and Lamborghini. You can see how thick it is. Great. So crew cap with a full rubber mats, and this is, you see, you can unclip that in case if you need for like a waterproof or water purpose for the winter. There's a storage underneath as well, both sides, and that's a 60-40 seats, and you can make like a flat compartment as well, just in case. You see, you can make all flat, carry some luggage. I have similar setup in my truck. Then in the back we got heated seats. We got the 115 volt 40 watt inverter built in, air conditioning, ventilation. This middle seat goes down for the cup holders in case if you need it. Power window with a defroster in the back, right? Then you can control from the buttons over there. I'll show you. And it's the same tow mirror on the driver's side with a blind spot monitor, and this is auto dimming mirror as well. And then here you see that's for the blind spot monitoring for the trailer. This is for the power foldable mirror. I love that new feature, right? Because the previous models in the different years, they tow mirrors never had the power folding, and it has a memory seats. And the memory seats come for the mirrors, for the seats, for the paddles, for the radio stations, from your phone, for basically everything, right? So you can have 2 different memories. One touch mirror windows. That's a premium sound system. That's a part of a Harman Kardon sound system. Has 19 speaker sound system. Lumbar adjustments. That's your full power seat. All the lights, everything is automatic. So leather steering wheel with a partially wood over here. I love the grip on it. And then Bluetooth for the phone. Has a real wood here, real wood here, real wood there, and also these panels. You see, you can open and close just like that. Here, let's see, it just probably sticked one. Here we go. Right, and then let's start it up, see what else we got here. So push button start, 4x4. Just warming up right now, diesel, so you can see 59,000 kilometers. Has a remote start as well, and a remote start is great. You can start it up in a winter time to warm it up, or in the summertime you can actually start it up to cool it down. So here we have sunroof options. It has a sunroof, by the way, as well, which many new trucks don't have because there was a big massive shortage. That's for the sunroof, that's for the rear window, that's for the ventilation, and for the and that's for the assistance and SOS and all the lights, and drop the tailgate. So you can open tailgate just from here with one button, and automatically dimming mirror as well. So what we got here, we got USB ports. We have a wireless charging pad. You see that console also moves. Wireless charging pad over here. CD player. So we got CD player, we have a trailer brake controller built in, right? And exhaust brakes, tow haul, parking sensors in the front and the back. You can disable them in case if you tow something. And then 4x4 selection over here for low, for high, two-wheel drive. And then automatic transmission, but you can also shift that as a manual from here. Cruise control, that's the computer control, and a Bluetooth and a voice recognition. That's where you can change your control and like a vehicle information. You can see like tire pressure and all kind of stuff. So full control you basically use here. In the back of the steering wheel we have also audio control buttons for air conditioning and things like that. For radio buttons and a volume in the back over here. Air conditioning, temperature control for the driver, for the passenger, and navigation over here. So it has a full 12-inch screen with a Garmin navigation for North America. There's the controls for the ventilation seats in the front, and the heated seats and a heated steering wheel. Backup camera, boom. So yeah, super nice truck, and actually clean, not smoked. I'm inside. I'm checking personally right now. So if you guys interested, a little bit more info, want to come down and take a look, text me, call me anytime. Truck is available. My phone number is 778-321-0453, and my name is Norm. Thank you. Bye-bye.